Hi, good morning. Uh, we are the team number 4, and today we're gonna talk about DDC controller. And the team is conformed by Janet Garcia Calderon and me, Edgar Osvaldo Rojas. Well, the components in this practice, we have a Arduino Nano, we have a box switches, 6 resistance, 3 LEDs, and a sensor controller, and a model control. Now my partner Garcia say is going to say the function.
Okay, well, as we know, well, as we have to do, we have to develop a system that is controlled by an Arduino Nano PCB, which allows us to control, in this case, the temperature in a container lab or and the level of the fluid that it has. Well, uh, to develop this circuit, we include a model which is going to show us the function of this. In this case, the first part that we are gonna do is to program the controller. So in this case, we have a specific temperature and a specific fluid uh, of level of fluid to determine if the controller is working correctly. So now we are going to play the circuit. Well, that the first thing that we have to do is turn on our controller. The first part of this sensor is going to control the fluid or the level of this container. If we notice in this part, it's in 32,000%. But if we up this level, we are going to notice that the heater resistor, which is going to heat the water of the fluid in the container, arrives to 45% turn on. So if we arrive to this percent, once we have turned on this, we can control the temperature. If we notice, if we turn up the grades of this, the on-low bulb is going to turn on, indicated that the circuit has to down the level. Okay, if we want to reset again the circuit, we only have to stop the circuit. If we notice in this part, the LED was turning on, and now that we stop the circuit, it's turning off. And now we are going to back the switch button to turn on the circuit and turn on or active the switch, the reset switch. Now to active again the circuit since the beginning, we're going to change the value to 35 again and change the temperature controller to 35 again. Okay. Once we have the values since the minimum values, we are going to disactive the switch of the stop and reset and activate again the circuit. Now to show or to develop again the circuit, now we have to change the value again and active it to 45%. Turn on again the header resistor and update the up the temperature to 40. And as we notice, it's activated again. So to control the systems, only we have to control the switches and the sensor values. And for us, to this circuit, it's all.